President Barack Obama has been re-elected for a second term following a close election against Republican candidate Mitt Romney on Tuesday, helping Obama secure the election were his wins in key battleground states of Ohio, Wisconsin, and Virginia. In his victory speech, the president acknowledged that the road ahead would be difficult and assured the American people that they had made the right decision. Votes are still coming in for the final positions, but it looks like the Congress is split, with the Democrats taking the majority in the Senate and the Republicans in the House. In California, Proposition 30, Governor Jerry Brown's tax on the wealthy to balance the budget, has passed, and the controversial Proposition 32, which would prevent unions from contributing to campaigns, has failed. Prop 34, which would put an end to the death penalty in California, and Prop 37, which would add labels to genetically modified foods, have also been rejected. Ebing He, John Berge, ICN, San Francisco. Now that President Obama has been re-elected, efforts to overturn the Affordable Care Act should end. The reform law, commonly known as Obamacare, was one of the significant policy changes of the president's first term. It requires most Americans to have health insurance and subsidizes coverage for low and middle income people. Several provisions have already gone into effect, including one that provides patients with pre-existing conditions access to insurance. Starting in 2013, America will see two big Medicare taxes that were enacted to help pay for new federal subsidies that millions of people will get when they buy health insurance. By 2014, the law will be fully in place, and the benefits should reach throughout the entire country. Ebing He, John Berge, ICN, San Francisco. Xi Jinping has been appointed by the 18th National Congress of the Communist Party of China as the Secretary General of the event at a preparatory meeting on Wednesday. The agenda for the conference has also been decided, starting with a report submitted by the 17th CPC Central Committee. President Hu Jintao presided over the preparatory meeting at the Great Hall of the People, which was attended by 2,280 party delegates and specially invited delegates. The meeting approved a list of the Presidium's 41-member standing committee, including Hu Jintao. The Congress will open at 9 a.m. Thursday at the Great Hall of the People in Beijing and last until November 14th. Ebing He, John Berge, ICN, San Francisco. New York and New Jersey are preparing for the arrival of another storm coming so soon after the wake of Hurricane Sandy and cutting into recovery efforts. The storm will bring more rain, high winds, and coastal flooding, with snowfall across the interior sections of New England. Officials urge people in shelters and hotels to stay away from their damaged homes a bit longer because of the new storm. Many major airlines have announced that they are shutting down operations again. New York residents are worried that the storm may knock out the now fragile power infrastructure that has just been put back in place. Ebing He, John Berge, ICN, San Francisco.